You getting Charlie? Are you getting Charlie? Be gentle. Say hi, doggy. Hi, Charlie. Be gentle, Lily. Gentle, Lily. Great. He's gonna kiss you. Can you say doggy? Careful. Jeez. Gentle. No, no, no pulling. Yeah, you saying doggy? Yeah, I'm sure Charlie loves it. He uses his ear to stand up. Yeah, silly girl. Oh, be gentle. Gentle. Only one kiss, Charlie. Did the doggy get you? Who got you? Who got you, Lily?